So last question on that, I mean, would you hesitate recommending us for any other friends or family? Absolutely wouldn't hesitate. I think if I was to make a suggestion to anyone looking to do a renovation, bring in the experts. Yep. You guys know all the nicks and knacks. You say to me a lot of the time, I'm actually very time poor. Yep. So it saves time. The other thing is, right, unless you're an interior designer or architect, you're not going to get all facets right. But even if you want to build a McMansion as squeeze every square inch, you have to know the rules and how the game works. Yeah. And you guys were very good in that respect. You know exactly how to push every square inch, what I could get away with, right? So I did waste ciphers. And yeah, so I'd recommend absolutely consult someone like yourself, you know, and I've had nothing but positive experience. So no, I appreciate that. I appreciate you coming to the office and that. Shakeel's actually let us know, so once it's all done, get final pictures of that. So stay tuned for that. But a big thank you to Shakeel. There's a nice year process in it, yeah. But every time I see you, you've got a smiling face. We always say hello to each other. So I really thank you for that. Thanks, Buck. Thank you.